Welcome to Jagriti Education. Now, I am going to discuss the final assessment, that is quiz answers of Diksha Module 6, that is Health and Well-being. Before starting, on behalf of Jagriti Education, I, Kulajit Das, kindly request you to subscribe my channel. So, let's start.
First question is, how does the functioning of heart and lungs can be improved? Here correct option is by increasing the availability of oxygen. So second one is the correct option. Let us move to the next question. Next question is, how does food ensure the proper nutrition and function of our body? Here second option, here correct option will be third one, by building muscles, protecting the body, helping to fight against disease, shorting energy and balanced diet. So let us move to the next question. Next question is, what are various models what are various modes of transmission of communicable disease? Here correct option will be first one, direct transmission, droplet infection and contact with soil. So next question is, how much of physical activity must one do apart from yoga to stay fit every day? Here correct option will be first one, 20 to 30 minutes. So again next question is, which of the following things should be avoided in case of an emergency? Here correct option will be last one, that is fourth one, give them something to eat or drink to avoid discomfort due to hunger and thirsty. So this will be correct option. Let us move to the next question. Next question is, which one of the following is a helpline for children in distress by the Ministry of Women and Child Development? So your correct option will be Childline 1098. So second option will be correct. So let us move to the next question. Next question is, what does HIV stands for? HIV stands for human immunodeficiency virus. So first one will be the correct option. Let us move to the next question. Next question is, what does POCSO Act stand for? POCSO Act stands for Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. So first one will be correct option, Protection of Children from Sexual Offense Act. So let us move to the next question. Next question is, how our constitution ensure developing sensitivity towards differently abled. So here correct option is by providing right to equality. So second one will be the correct option. Let us move to the next question. Next question is, what are the factors influencing growth and development in adolescence? Your correct option will be third one, biological, psychological, cultural, socio-economic factors. So next question is, which of the following yoga practices help in emotional management? Your correct option will be second one, yama, niyama, asana, pranayama and pratyahara. So let us move to the next question. Next question is, which of the following helps us in releasing our true self? Here correct option will be second one, pranayama and dhyana. So let us move to the next question. Next question is, ahimsa is one of the practice of, your correct option will be yama. Next question is, what is the chain of 5 F's that can cause infection? Here the chain will be feces, fluid, fingers, flies and fields. So first one will be the correct option. So let us move to the next question. Next question is, which two principles are considered as the universal code of conduct? Here correct option will be Yama and Niyama. Next question is, what is the age group of adolescents? Here correct option will be first one, 10 to 19 years. Next question is, how can a positive attitude be developed towards healthy relationships in adolescence? Here correct option is second one, talking to them and understand their concerns. So next question is, Dash is a relatively new media platform that has revolutionized our world. Here correct option will be internet. Internet is a relatively new media platform that has revolutionized our world. So next question is, Surya Namaskar improves. Here Surya Namaskar improves blood circulation. So third one is the correct option. Next question is, anaerobic exercise is a high intensity activity for a short period of time. So third one is the correct option, high intensity activity for a short period of time. Next question is, so we have done all 20 questions without skipping. Let us submit. So after submitting, my score is 20 out of 20.
Hope this video will help you during your final assessment. So for more videos, please come to my channel page and open the playlist Diksha 2.0. There you will get video for each and every module of your Nishta Teacher Training Program 2021. So please be with us and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.